Okay, this is a model 660 Prinz optic refractor telescope, one of the best. The box was a bit damaged during the transport, but just let's check the first lens. Okay, lens looks intact to me, and it has also the QC pass made in Japan, I think. The Japanese Institute for Telescopes, and it is well connected by these screws, so that's a good point. And it just opened and see what is this beautiful beauty. Okay, the lens looks perfect. Well, it has also the spacers between the two elements of the lens, so perfect for that. Okay, that's the original finder scope. It has some coatings yet on it, so perfect. 6 times by, I think, 20 or 30 millimeter. Oh, the beautiful dew shield. And it comes with a lot of original accessories, including all the clamps, image erector eyepieces, two actually, segment for extension of the tube, viewfinder holder, a Barlow lens, very long, segment for the Japanese style eyepiece, another segment for the eyepiece, attachment for the solar panel probably, eyepiece tray, another attachment for the solar panel probably, counterweight shaft, another attachment for the solar panel, or 1 1/4 to 2/4. Machinist, somebody was a machinist made this, it seems. It doesn't look like the original accessory. Another attachment for the ring, the eyepiece, 2 slow motion controls. And what we have here, there is a little damage here, so solar panel, solar observation disc, equatorial mount, the tripod. Let's just put them together. The good thing is that the tube rings for the Skywatcher EvoStar 72ED actually fits it perfectly. So I'm going to use this for installing this telescope on this Sky T2 mount. Okay, now I've set up the backbone of it, which is the tube, star diagonal, and the eyepiece, and tube rings also, and the dovetail, and that's fantastic. It has a lot of more accessories that I will use. And the box needs a repair. Unfortunately, it's damaged, so I'm going to actually empty the content of it, what is optically small, and the other pieces that can go into storage separately, and the rest of it has to wait for me to repair it. And the set of eyepieces, which orthoscopic one of it is there, that's the 6mm one. Excellent. And now this is with the content of the box, except the tripod. It was too big. I left it somewhere to repair it later, the box, and everything goes back there. So what we have here is the mount, counterweight shaft, mount head for the tripod, or tripod head, the attachment to the tripod between the mount and the tripod, some attachment for the using of the different eyepieces on that, including also the bolts for the tripod and mount, some Barlow 2 erect imaging eyepiece, erect imaging prism, some attachment for the eyepiece which can go here, the eyepiece holder. I have a different one already attached there. These are for the solar observation. This is a lens cap, of course it goes there. That one will not be used. This is a sun filter, or moon filter actually. Yeah, that's great. Sun filter is not included. Brilliant. And that's the screen for watching the sunspots. And these are the eyepieces. There is a 40mm eyepiece which is on the telescope. This is the 40mm achromatic organs. And these are the Prinz optic astronomical telescope specification of this telescope. Model 660, objective diameter 76.2mm, focal length 1250, makes it I think 16.5 f ratio, and Japan circle K, that's Kenko most of the times. Also, I didn't have the original lens cap. That goes on the lens cap without the dew shield. As such, nicely covers it.